From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Brown, here with your Thursday afternoon forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Looking at our current conditions right now outside of Beaver Stadium, it's looking really nice out there. We're seeing really no cloud cover to be seen, and the sun is really shining, making it today going to be a really nice day. But most importantly, we're seeing those temperatures are really warm. For only being 12 o'clock, we're already seeing temperatures at 63, which is well above average. Those dew points are going to make it pretty dry out there. And the wind's also really calm, which is going to make today a really nice day. Looking across the rest of the Commonwealth, it's really the same trend we're seeing. We're seeing everywhere is going to be already above 60. We're seeing Pittsburgh's already at 69, and Philly's already actually reached 70, which is going to actually get higher throughout the day. But it's really setting up for today to be a great day and a really warm day also. Looking at the rest of the country, we're actually seeing the trend of the warm temperatures really in the southeast and the mid-Atlantic. But as we do move west, we see there are a lot of colder air, which brings some colder temperatures out there, and that's actually going to slowly move our way. It shouldn't reach us for a few days, but it will bring some cooler air next week. Looking at our current radar, we will see also how great the rest of the Commonwealth is looking today, cloud-wise. We're seeing really there's no cloud cover across the majority of the Commonwealth. We're seeing a little bit out in Erie with a little of that rain that could be coming in, but nothing too impactful. And this really looks like today is going to be a really clear day and a really warm day. And if we look at the rest of the radar and the satellite of the rest of the country, we will see there's a little bit of rain showers in the Midwest and the Ohio Valley, and that could bring some stronger storms to those areas. And those will slowly make their way towards us in the rest of the day and the evening, but it's going to be too impactful for the evening commute. So looking at your future weather right now, we're seeing right now it's looking really nice, and as we move through the rest of the day today, we'll see those rain is going to slowly make its way into the western portions of the state. By tonight, we're going to see a little bit of rain in Pittsburgh and southwest PA. As we move into the overnight hours, we're going to see some of that rain right by the Mason-Dixon line. And as we do move into Friday morning into the afternoon, we're going to see some of that rain start to return. We'll see a little bit more and really scattered around the state. So you could be seeing a little bit of isolated showers, but nothing too strong. But by the afternoon, we'll see some more of that rain build up. We'll see a lot in Philly, and we'll see some more out in the southwest area. But mostly it's going to be mostly cloudy and overcast for Friday. And fortunately, by Friday night, that rain is going to move out, and it's going to bring actually some clear conditions out in State College and Philly. And even in the west, it should be dry with just a little bit of cloud cover. Looking at our weekend outlook right now, we'll see that rain is going to move out into the Atlantic, and it's going to bring some pretty clear conditions to the mid-Atlantic and Pennsylvania. Whereas really there being no cloud cover on Saturday, which is going to be some really nice conditions. And you go to Sunday here, we're going to see some of that rain is going to return. It's going to come out from the Great Lakes, and it might have some impacts on Sunday, but it's not going to be too impactful. It's going to move out pretty quickly. However, by Monday, we're going to see some of that cold air finally return, and that's going to bring some possibility for some snow showers. It shouldn't be too impactful, but we could get some snow, especially in the higher elevations in the Laurel Highlands. Going back now to look at our wind gusts for the next few days, we'll see right now we're seeing it's pretty calm across most of the Commonwealth, with the western portions only being the areas that are windy. Going into tonight and Friday is when we're going to start to see that wind return, with tonight being some stronger winds. And going into tomorrow, it's going to stay kind of strong as that rain slowly makes its way across the Commonwealth. But into Saturday, it's looking like it's going to all exit out of the southeast, and it's going to bring some pretty nice and calm conditions on Saturday. And now taking a look at our 6 to 10-day temperature outlook, so we can see the next few days it's going to start to cool down, and we're going to see some slightly below average temperatures, especially on the eastern seaboard and PA. And that's really going to be due to that cool air from the west that's going to bring some cooler air in the east. So it's not going to be too cold, but it's definitely not going to be the 70s and 60s that we're going to be seeing over the next few days. But taking a look back at today, we will see today is going to be 70 degrees, really warm, basically spring-like temperatures. And we're going to see a little bit of clouds, but mostly sunny conditions. Tonight, there's a chance for some rain. Mostly, it's going to be pretty isolated, and it won't be too impactful. And we will still see a pretty high low of 55. And going into tomorrow, we're going to see our high of 62, slightly cooler, but it's not going to be too bad. And we'll see a little bit of rain early, but it's going to move out pretty quickly, set up for a pretty overcast day. Taking a look at our 7-day outlook now. So we see today and tomorrow are going to be our warm days, and then Sunday is our last really big chance for rain over the weekend. Before we get into Monday, Tuesday, we're going to see those temperatures and that cool air is going to return, and it's going to bring some cooler air with it and some cooler temperatures. But it's going to be pretty dry, and it should be pretty calm out there. So it's just going to be right around back to average and not too bad. But if you want to take advantage of the warmth, definitely take advantage of today and tomorrow, as it's going to be really nice out there. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, my name is Tyler Brown. Have a great rest of your day.